Get your plate of white rice ready. Liver sauce is ready, guys. Hi beautiful people, today I am making one of my most requested recipes, my signature liver soup. It is quick, it is rich, it is flavorful, and guess what? It takes just few minutes to prepare. Now let me tell you the full gist behind this recipe, because it's not just soup, it's a family favorite. So this wasn't one of those I am hungry moments. I simply wanted something special, something spicy and satisfying, but not stressful. That's when my liver soup came to my mind. This recipe has become like second nature to me. Chop the liver, season it well, add onions, pepper, spices, and boom, it starts releasing this aroma that will make even your neighbors knock. But here's the juicy part. The day I paired it with hot rice, my sister-in-law came visiting. She had never tasted it before, and I was like, just try it, you will definitely love it. She started eating, and before I knew it, her plate was empty. That was how my liver soup earned its legendary status. It is now family certified. What I love most, it's super quick. You don't need to boil meat for hours. Liver cooks fast, absorbs flavor well, and gives these soft, tender vibes that melt in your mouth. And when paired with rice, oh my goodness, it's like a match made in heaven. So whether you're cooking for one, you're cooking for your man, or you're cooking for your visitors, this liver soup has you covered. The recipe is simple, spicy, and always a hit. Do not forget to like, comment, and tell me who you served yours to. See you in the next video. God bless you, and I love you so much. Bye guys.